magandang araw na ito dahil makakasama natin ang all-male Kapuso group na Down to Mars. Na super cool and super cute, diba? Yeah. We've got Japanese, we've got Chinese, we've got Korean and Filipino blood running through these cute guys. And today, malalaman natin more about their South Korea show ngayong July. Good morning sa inyo, guys.
Good morning,
I'm so happy that you guys are here because I know you guys are so hot all over the place. Tell us about your show ngayon sa Korea this weekend na.
Yes, mga Kapuso, good morning sa inyong lahat. This coming July 22nd, may show po kami. Makapunta na po kami ng South Korea sa Yeosu, South Korea. May World Expo po. Napili po kami ng Department of Tourism and ng Cultural Center of the Philippines para i-represent ang Pilipinas. Malaking karangalan po sa amin yun.
Congratulations. At mapapanood kayo sa Party Pilipinas.
Yes,
and you guys
Sunday.
have mall tours all around the Philippines.
Yeah.
Ayan, so today tuturuan natin sila sa inyo yung latest single na May Everything, ang mga cool dance steps. So here we have Sky to help us out with that. By the way, let's introduce the whole gang. We have Jang, we have Jong, we have Hiro, we have Kenji, ayan. Alright, so kilala ko na yan. We have Daisuke and Yin, and of course we have Sky and Jang. So here we go. Our first step, umpisa na natin sa O step. Okay, how does it go?
You go next. 5, 6, 7, go. You do it like this. O, then like that. Dash it around, then.
Yan. Siyempre, Tita Jeline yung head, yung manager nyo. Kaya ganyan yung mga steps nyo.
And let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, go. O, flash. Yes.
Okay, pakita naman natin ang everything slide.
Everything slide. So 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, bounce.
Yan yung bounce to Mars.
Bounce to Mars.
Alright, so ipakita natin, makijoin na sa Down to Mars Invasion. At tara na makihataw tayo. Kasama ko naman ang dance squad. Here they are, the hottest band right now, ang Down to Mars. Take it away, guys. Woohoo!
Time I'm lost in a daydream, I hope for you and then you're there. Losing sight of you makes my mind scream, and I get scared.
Ain't no games, no lies. When you're with me, good vibes. You shine like a star so bright. Let's go up there and fly.
Times when I almost fall apart, see the words that fill my heart. Loving you might be the most hard.